Welcome to my channel. This is the fern plant. You see, this is the fern plant that grows on the walls of the palm tree. It's a very spiritually powerful plant that we use to bath to remove any spiritual illness from our body. So someone will ask, how am I going to use this one to bath and remove spiritual sickness from my body? You are going to get 7 leaves. This one is 1. You are going to get 7. So this one is 2. I have 2 leaves here. So you are going to get 7. And then once you get 7, you are going to get a bucket of water. And then you are going to mash this inside. You are going to mash it inside the bucket of water. And you go to the bathroom and bath with it. So you are going to do this for 3 days to remove any evil sickness that the devil has sent into your body and remove them from your body spiritually. Subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment if you don't understand anything. On this channel I teach about plants, natural things, and what natural plants can do for us. See you in the next video. This plant we are seeing here is the Biden pilosa plant, or Spanish needle, or black jack. People call it beggar ticks or the beggar hairy. So there are a lot of names in different area. Yes, but the scientific name is the Biden pilosa. So this plant is used numerous ways to heal oneself. On this channel I teach about plants, their spiritual use, and then their health benefits. So please subscribe to the channel and like my videos. Okay, so this is the Biden pilosa plant that is used to treat sexual transmitted diseases like the gonorrhea, the syphilis. If you are suffering from all those kind of things, what you have to do is you get the totality of the plant. You are going to uproot the plant. Yes, you just uproot the plant. You are going to use the roots, the stem, and then the seed. Everything about the plant is medicinal. So you are going to boil, you are going to wash the roots. You're going to wash the roots, and then you are going to put it in the cooking pan, boil it, and then start drinking the decoction for 3 days, and then you are going to be good. So treat any sexual problems using this plant. Subscribe to my channel, like the video. You can use the dry one or you can use the fresh one. See you in the next video. Welcome back to my channel. Today this is the billy goat weed. This weed is used to do a lot of things. If you are suffering from skin problems, skin diseases, we are going to just make the leaves in a paste form and then use it to rub your skin. Yes, and then if you are suffering from any kind of rashes on your skin, you are going to remove the rashes. Once again, this is a special plant that we use to open one's eye. So if you want to open your third eye, you also get this plant. You are going to mash it in your bathing water and then you start bathing with it. Yes, once again, this plant is very beneficial for children that are suffering from ringworms. If the child is suffering from ringworm, just get the whitish part of the plant and use it to rub inside, and the person is going to feel well. Yes, this plant is the billy goat weed. Billy goat weed. You can find it in your area and start enjoying its benefit. Subscribe to my channel, like the video for more. So this is the leaf of life. Yes, you see we have a coin under it. Yes, so the leaf of life is a spiritual plant that many people use to protect themselves from evil and then bring positivity to oneself. So someone just plug the leaves and then drop a coin under it here. So the person took the leaf, part of the leaf, and then drop coins under it. So this is the plant. It's a spiritual plant that we use to protect yourself. So you can get this leaf of life and then put it under your pillow or put it in your purse when you are moving around. If something negative is about to happen, this leaf of life is able to neutralize negative energy and the negative impact on our lives. So this leaf of life You can plant it in your garden. You can plant it in a container and put it in front of your house. It's a positive plant. Yes, on this channel I'm going to show you different kind of plants and their spiritual use. Just subscribe to the channel, like the video, and continue to watch for positive impact and plants that are positive to our lives. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Treating fever or malaria, this lemongrass is one of the powerful herbs we use to treat this kind of sickness. So if you are suffering from any problem, just get this lemongrass. The lemongrass is powerful for malaria treatment. I have them in my garden here. So just get the root and plant it. When you are feeling that there's something not going well, or you confirm by checking that you have malaria or any fever or typhoid, you just get the leaves or you get the roots or any part of it and boil and then drink. You are going to recover. Yes, you can just plant the roots. You can just plant, you just remove part of it like this and you plant it. So this is the roots. So you get one like this and then you plant it in your garden. Yes, so this is lemongrass, which is beneficial to our health. Subscribe to the channel, like for more videos, because we'll be teaching a lot of plants on this channel. So please kindly subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, so that when I teach new leaf, I teach new herb, you will be notified, so that you will learn a lot about plants. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.